There is no failure, only delay in results. This is a direct quote from Helene Hadsell. Helene Hadsell, for those of you who don't know, was known as the contest queen. She would win each and every contest she would ever enter. She won over 5,000 prizes over the course of her life. Things like first trip tickets, cars, houses, home appliances, etc., etc. Big and small prizes and everything in between. You have to remember one thing. She was so good at winning because she didn't believe in failure. She believed she could get everything she wanted. And just because she didn't get what she wanted the first time around, she knew that that was only a delay. And there is no failure. There's only a delay in results. So whatever you want to manifest, it might take time, but there's no failure. Just be more patient, have more faith, and it will come.